In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a default gradient color to text in Canva. If you want to make your text stand out a little more and add a modern, eye-catching look to your design, using a gradient color is a quick and effective option. Canva makes this process very simple once you know where to look, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along with ease. To begin, open your Canva design. If you already have a project ready, go ahead and load that design. If not, you can create a new one and start with a blank canvas or any template you prefer. The important thing is to get into the editing screen so you can work directly on your design. Once your design is open, select the text you want to customize. If your project already includes text, simply click on it to highlight it. If you don't have any text yet, add a text box first and type in whatever words you want to style. Make sure the text itself is selected before moving on, because the color options will only appear for the active text element. Next, look toward the top toolbar in Canva. This area contains the main editing controls for the selected item. When your text is active, you should see an option for text color, usually represented by the letter A with a color indicator. Click on that text color option to open the color panel. After the color panel opens, scroll down through the available choices until you reach the default gradient color section. This is where Canva groups its ready-made gradient styles, making it easy to apply a more dynamic color effect without needing to create one from scratch. These presets are useful when you want a polished result quickly. If you'd like to explore beyond the first few gradient options shown, click See All. This will expand the section so you can browse through more default gradient colors and choose the one that best matches your design. Take a moment here to compare styles, since different gradients can change the overall mood of your text quite a bit. Once you find the gradient you like, simply click it to apply it to your selected text. That's it. Your text should instantly update, giving it a more vibrant and stylish appearance. If needed, you can continue testing different gradients until you find the one that fits your layout perfectly. And that's how to apply a default gradient color to text in Canva quickly and easily.